Very good, drawers. This is how our perspective of today remains. Look, I have been asked a lot. Interior perspective, and so we are going to develop a. Let's go step by step. Horizon line. Vanishing point 1. Vanishing point 2, we start to project the lines so they give us our space. Yes, interior. Look how I am projecting. I place that vertex and project, so we are good. That vertex is important. It's corner of the studio. Bedroom. It's a bedroom, but we will be seeing how the part of the desk where this works. Student or you, did you see how? I put another line and start to throw to fade the lines of our element to the vanishing point 1 and vanishing point 2. You noticed, there it goes. Again I fade and go down. So there I have relatively our cube of our element. But I make the mistake. Be careful not to go to the wall. You have to be careful. So I'm already seeing the vertex of the wall that gives me the vertex, the wall and the floor, and now yes. I just make it wider, right? Am I going to put an area, drawers on this desk, so you can store all your things? Desk, work table, type of architect, those big tables, right? And well, there it is, how I'm fading the legs to one vanishing point, and to the other point, vanishing point. That gives it volume. Are we going to put a little lamp here? Right. And here we will put one of these things to store, like folders or papers. Didn't you notice? Look at this vanishing point. It's a very interesting vanishing point. It's very close to vanishing point 2 and, well, we get a student also. Give us the volume. And when I have it so close to the point of vanishing point, the perspective, there I help myself with a ruler. If you realize it so it's understood more, the perspective starts to inform. Quite. It's not like we had it. We would have the element very high of us, and you notice, right? However, it responds to the rules, to the laws of geometric, of the perspective. That's what it's about. Then I like these elements like this. Very. Not too close, because they grow in front of our eyes in there. Are we going to start making the shelves? Don't look at how I'm going to make the shelves. They don't have the same distance, right? You see that there are furniture pieces that have the same distance, and others that don't. Look how it's fading to give volume to the shelves, well, here we go. Let's give it shape. Here I am proposing what is the window. The window definitely brings volume. Nothing in the drawing is on paper. Everything has volume. Remember that. Right. Brings volume, and for that is the perspective. Well, let's get into doing this. Type of desk chairs. Not a drawer, and we are making it. Calmly, if you notice it's a perspective on a raised hand. I'm helping a bit with the rules for that can be seen to denote, well, where it comes from. The vanishing point. Didn't you see how I'm doing what? Are they the legs of the chair? All of this is a sketch. All of this is a sketch. Quick drawing. Look, let's go. We're going to draw out the idea, the concept. No, that's what these drawings are about. Let's put another little tree. I love to put little trees there. We are maybe on a first floor. Yes, maybe second. I don't know. Well, let's get into what is the shadow. Evidently the light comes in the window, then all the shadows. Do they tend to the right? No, because the light tells us where to go. They go. Are you going to bring a vase here? And well, you can start putting together your interior. Looks best like this. I explain, that's for sure. Let's shade where it's to understand. Understand. Here we will enter with this hatching to give volume and shadow to our element of shelves, which still doesn't bring anything. But well, no. The issue was to draw it, and we are going to give it the shadows that go inside to understand, plus our drawing. No, don't get desperate. It's a sketch. It's becoming laborious because of so much shadow, but don't despair. Yeah, try to achieve it and well, that's what we thrive on. More shadows you realize. It's quick movement, and well, let's go. Very good. Let's keep working. Perfectly well. We propose the floor, and let me know in the comments if they are helping you. These perspectives, what I am doing. Do you like to see interior perspective? Outdoor. What do you think of these exercises? Well, here comes a frame, and well I would appreciate a like to break it and comment on it. Don't forget, see you later.